Hey guys, it's Mac here with another blockchain tutorial. Today I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to add the AVAX or Avalanche network to your Metamask. First of all, you just want to go ahead and head over to Google. You can just Google how to add AVAX to Metamask. Go and click on the first link here. Make sure that this network doesn't look shady. It's not some random blogger that nobody knows. Pretty well known blogger. So I wouldn't worry too much about it. Copy this right here. Go to Metamask, add network. And type in AVAX Avalanche. And RPC URL is this one. Then type in the ChainID one, currency symbol, AVAX. And block explorer URL. Just go ahead and type in this bad boy. And save. So you can see now we have AVAX added. So now I have Avalanche, MATIC, Bet20, and Mover River all added. If you need any of those videos, any of those tutorials, please check out my other videos. And yep, that's it. See you guys in the next tutorial.
Bro, we need to pump it. Everybody, go to the Twitter and hashtag the things. Pump it. Pump it real good. We need a good pump. Everybody deserves a nice Tezos pump.